Arg. This is gonna be a nice fishing trip. Arg, it sure is.
Yeah, I can't sleep.
I'm sorry. Arg, I got a bite. What is it? What is it? Just throw back in the water. Eh. Arg, I caught one. Arg, okay, chuck it in the boat. What the frick? Get this bad thing off me!
Oh, frick. Oh, hey.
New minion.
Wanna come on the boat?
New minion!
Okay, guess not. Why is one having to fight different Pokemon as well as fish and dinosaurs and stuff? Okay, I'm just gonna look around when I leave here because I can't be bothered to get back up.
Nice. Arg, I caught another one. Look at me go. Okay, shove it in the back of the boat. Don't let it fall back in there. Otherwise it will come back to get us. Arg, I caught one of those weird things that can live on land. Alright, put it down there. Arg. Hold on, I feel something in my hand. Let me just pull it up real quick. Let me pull it back up. What? What the frick?
Sorry guys, I guess I'm good at fishing.
Arg, you might want to release that thing. Because that will probably crush the boat.
Okay.
Arg, frick! Frick! Something just hit the boat! Arg!
Ow! I'm falling in again!
Oh, frick! Oh, frick! Oh, frick! It ate the boat! It ate the boat! It ate the boat! It ate the frickin' boat! I'm sorry, but why am I drowning? Here. Oh, frick! I'm gonna get my friend.
Oh, frick. I don't think we should ever go swimming again.
I know, right? That was bonkers. Oh, wait, where's the feed off thing? Arg, what the frick? Where's that peed off? Arg, oh well. He's probably floating somewhere. Oh, there he is! Yeah, just come to me, okay? Arg, we should probably get to land before the big ones come. Like, for instance, you know, a giant sea dragon.
What, like that one?
Wait, what? Bleh.
Or why is there such calming music in the background?
Woo!
Raw. Ark, seriously, why do I have such calming music in my head?
Same here!
Same. Ark, same. We should probably get back to the rest of the Foxy squad off of this.
Oh yeah, there is more of us. I forgot!
Same. Well, this was a nice day today. Alright, yeah, but we need to focus on getting out because that Gyarados is coming closer.
How do you know its name?
I don't know, I play Pokemon unless I anything.
Ha! That's weird.
Shut up.
Okay! Whatever you say, Buster.
Stop memeing right now. Next time I'm going to the jungle on an expedition. Shame.
Same here!
I kinda wanna go home with the rest of the families. Or this was so weird. What the frick even happened? Arg! Hey, my little tiny model of the thing from Godzilla is still in my pocket. Hey, that's pretty cool. Wait, what is that?
Oh my god! Holy frick, it's here. Oh my god, the ship from Godzilla is here. Oh frick. Oh frick. Oh frick. Oh frick. Arg, what do I do? It's huge.
Oh wait, it's flying away. Well, that was really an eventful day. Crush must also must be eaten. Arg, crush some something when the room is getting something started.
You're mean! What about it?
What the frick is even happening anymore? Ultraman, Ultraman, Ultraman. I'm just a giant man in a speedo. Ultraman, Pepsi Man. Arg, why do I even bother? Pepsi Man, have you seen my enemy? Arg, you mean the giant guy that's coming out behind you? Baby, 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 baby. Ultra watts, ultra free. Die, sir. Hey, Bowser. Ultra freak, ultra owl, ultra freak, ultra owl, ultra sank, ultra dead. Arg, we're good.
I'm sorry, but I don't want to die today.
Jesus Christ, you're loud.
I know! I was built to be loud.
Alright then, I guess I will just
This is going swimmingly! Ultraman! Here to stop the evil Batman! Ultraman!
Speedo Man! It's me, Speedo Man! Here to stop the big evil dude.
Oh, forget it. Let me fix this thing real quick. There we go. Now I fixed his heaviness, so now he's really easy to manipulate.
Ultraman! Gonna kick you in the nuts!
Oh, frick.
Ultraman! Got anything to say to yourself?
Oh, frick.
Ah.
Well, I'm gonna grow now. Come at me if you dare. With my sweet ass cheeks. Ah! Oh, frick!
Yeah. Screw this, I'm out of here to make it monstrous. Yeah.
What the frick? Oh, well, I'm gonna go home.
What is even happening anymore? Pepsi Man! It's me, Pepsi Man!
Would you all stop appearing out of thin air, for God's sake?
Quack. Quack, quack, Amber. Quack, quack, I am Michelle. I'm a woman, and I'm really cool, and the people like me. Meh. I scream like the stars.
I'm sorry, but you look edgy as hell.
I don't like edgy.
I'm good at roasting people. What is told? I don't want to know. Oh, I don't even know anymore. Oh, frick! A dinosaur. Can we keep it? Archaea, sure. Yay!
Ah, my ears. Thank you for watching the first episode of the Foxy Squad. That was quite a chaotic episode, but I hope you like it, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.